Welcome back to another episode of Working on the EK. Today we're going to start off by working on the shift linkage to get that connected. We're going to start by adding the Dyno tensioner, which I'll show you guys right now what I'm talking about. Basically, to my understanding, what that tensioner does is it cuts the loss of play that's in the shifter when it's in gear. We got to add the axles today as well. We're going to be connecting that to the Halfshaft. Halfshaft just connects on by 3 bolts. So with that being said, we're going to get started. I'm going to show you guys the Dyno tensioner I was telling you guys about a little earlier. So this is the Dyno tensioner I was telling you guys about. It's by Dyno Design. Let me get a closer look on that. I can focus. Dope. So basically it just replaces the whole connection process where your bitch pin is basically the replacement for the bitch pin. Pretty cool. I mean, it comes with 2 sets of bushings. That way, whichever, if you need the bigger one, the smaller one. But with that being said, let's start jacking up this car and with the shift linkage. So I was able to get the first one out with the drill. The second one's still stuck in there though. Let's hit this with the angle grinder. Stay tuned, guys. We got the bitch pin that goes in right there. Replacement for the bitch pin. Then we have the bushings. Looks like it's gonna be these smaller ones. We're gonna push those in. Oh yeah, so we're gonna put the Dyno tensioner on and connect this shift linkage. So the Dyno tensioner is out of the bag, and if I can get this to focus, it looks amazing. It's right there, boom. Look at that. Sheesh. Comes with the hardware, the bushings to go with it. So we're gonna push these in. Basically goes right here like this. We a nice quick install. Let's do it. Look at that. It's on, it's sturdy, it's not going nowhere. This right here is the bitch pin, which connects to this upper piece right here. Basically, that's the part it's going to be replacing. And that both goes in this hole right here. So the Dyno tensioner is on, and it came out amazing. Bolted that to the transmission right here. The shift linkage is connected and it feels great. Check it out. So we got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Amazing. Hell yeah. So the shift linkage is connected. It feels amazing. It feels amazing, sounds amazing, and it's just, I can't wait to see it actually perform on the road. So I also did attach the 3 Halfshaft bolts that connect the Halfshaft to the block. that's tightened. But with that being said, I got a couple errands to run, so I will be back with you guys on the following day. The following day will be attaching the driver and passenger side axle. That way we could tighten them down. With that being said, yeah, I'll catch up with you guys on the following day.